Hi guys, welcome to another session. I'm your host, Fellow F. Alright, on a previous video we spoke about the uptrend, where to buy in an uptrend. So right now we're talking about where to sell in a downtrend. Okay, so we are doing simple price action. We don't have fancy terms on these videos. It's a very simple strategy that if you respect it, the best place to respect this setup is on the daily. We have daily and 4 hours. Then you get your entries on the hourly and the 15 minutes. So that's not what we have to talk for today. So what we're talking about is simple market structure, where to buy and where to sell. Okay, so right here what we have is price creating lower highs and lower lows. So actually what we have here is a lower high, okay, not a higher low. This is a lower high. So that's what we should have on all these zones: lower highs like this, LH, not HL. So we have HL on in an uptrend, not a downtrend, and we have what we have, LH, that's lower high in a downtrend. So it's very simple. So that's what we have here: price creating lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so whenever you see price breaking this low in a downtrend, a low like this, that is what we call a break of structure. It's simple, a break of structure. So if you're taking note, take it down. Okay, so we have we have lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. And where do we enter? Once we see a break of structure like this, we have to just draw a line across, hoping that price should tap anywhere on the structure. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. We have a point like this. This structure has been taken out, right? So what you have to do is just extend the structural line across, and wherever price hits within this lower high and the structural line of the low of the previous lower low, you should start looking for your entries. So if you see this on the 4 hours or daily, you go down to the 15 minutes and 1 hour to see if you are getting any reasonable confirmations for you to get a sell to the downside. So that's simply how it works. It's simple. So if you're actually watching this on YouTube, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like and share. If you're watching it on Instagram, if you're not yet following, please do not forget to follow, and also drop a comment on the next video you want to see. For those who are already in my free Telegram channel, I think you know already. Just share with friends and invite friends as well. Okay, so we bought all from here, and price actually crashed with us and finally took out this new lower low. Okay, so when you buy from here, okay, what you're expecting is price to get to this zone, to at least this zone. So this is the zone here. Okay, once price takes out this zone, you extend the line across. Okay, let me just use the right tool. Once price takes out this lower low, do not forget, you just extend the line across and wait for price to get into this distance between, let me take an arrow to mark it out. If you watched my previous video, I don't think this will be a challenge for you. You already know what I'm talking about. So you wait for a zone like this, and anywhere around here within this zone, you are looking for sells. Okay, you go down to the lower time frame to get lower time frame confirmations for you to get a perfect entry. You can as well have a sniper entry. This is a strategy I use for my sniper entries. I just go down to a lower time frame and look for a break of structure on the lower time frame, a perfect light. Because if you see this move on the daily, all right, it's not just a clean move like that. What we have here is a small structure like this. It's giving you higher, lower lows, lower highs. It's something like this, heading all the way down. So this is how it actually looks like. We are not expecting to see a plain chart, okay? And now when price start rising, it also creates something similar, okay? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And at this point, you create a high like this, finally come down, take out the low. What you're expecting is a retest on the lower time frame, and you get your sell all the way to the previous neckline. I don't know if you're understanding. It's very simple. So that's simple price action, guys, and that's how you should be trading. If you want to reduce your losses, you want to reduce the stress, and make sure you make life easy for yourself. Okay, so that's it on the downtrend. So the first thing you need to do, you need to know, is the direction of the market. If it's a downtrend, then the market should be creating lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower low. And whenever structure is taken out, you don't need to just sell because the market has broken structure. No, you need to wait for market to come back into this zone. Some people will call it a discount, a premium zone, while in a buying market we call it a discount zone. So normally when buying, you want to buy when it's cheap, and when selling, you want to sell when it's expensive so that you can make profits. It's the same thing with the financial market. So you understand, based on market structure, once price has gotten back into this zone, guys, it's time to sell. Okay, you look for your confirmation on the lower time frame. So maybe we'll look at it. We'll look at our next video. What I want you to do is comment the next video you want to see, but if you don't comment, I will still do it. So the next video, you will know what I will tell you about on it. So if you're watching this on my Telegram, good. If you're watching it on Instagram, don't forget to follow. If you're watching it on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. This is simple price action trading. With this is all you need to start your journey. All right, once you understand this, you can make money. If you just add proper risk management to it, guys, you are gone. So trading is not as complicated as it's said to be, but you can make it very complicated. So we struggle to make trading as easy as possible. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. See you on the next video. Ciao.